welcome. Thanks for joining. I introduce myself. My name is Anjum Satar. I'm working with Duke University last 10 years. I'm also teaching at University Bradford, and I do some work for Leeds. Okay, so I do practice in accounts as well as accountant. So that's all about me. If you don't mind, where you from, what you done before, so I can add, some example from your background.
What do you mean? What have I done for this unit?
I mean, which city you're from, what you done before, in terms of qualification.
Oh, I'm from Birmingham. I've done level 2 and I've done level 3 in business.
Level 2 and level 3 in business. Okay. So you're doing now HND, yeah?
Yeah.
So how many subjects you completed, or you just started?
No, I've finished 5 of the units. Now I'm on accounting principles.
Okay.
But I didn't understand it, so I started the 7th one, managing a project. And I've nearly finished managing a project, but I'm just stuck on accounting principles because I don't understand it.
Oh, no, which will go through.
Yeah.
Give me 1 minute. I try to log in. Some reason Moodle not allowing me to log in. But I'll try my own slides. Is your financial accounting unit? Yes.
Pardon?
Financial accounting, the subject, which you do.
Yeah, that one.
Okay. Okay, welcome. Can you see these slides? Yes.
Yeah, I can.
Okay, excellent. So what we'll do, we'll go through.
I can't see slides. I can see a Word document though.
Can you see slides now?
Yeah, now I can.
Okay. So what I'll do, because we'll do maybe 2 tutorial to cover everything. Okay.
Okay.
And then we'll go through assignment. I'll guide you, how we can. Yes.
Yeah.
Is it your unit 1? Is it?
It's not unit 1. It's unit 6.
Unit 6. Sorry. Give me a minute.
It is financial. It is thinking. It is accounting principles, but it says it's unit 6 for me.
Sorry, I just want to make sure, unit 6. Give me a minute. Sorry, some reason I can't log in Moodle, but just 1 second. That should be my. Is a unit 6, yes?
Yeah.
So, the tutorial. Do you have access on Moodle?
Yeah, I do.
Okay. Unit 6. Unit 6 is a different.
No.
Unit 6 is
Oh wait, unit 5, I think.
Okay. That's
Sorry.
No, that's fine. Now, uh, sorry about that.
That's fine.
For some reason I can't log in. Okay. Is
Yeah,
it
that one.
that one your unit 5 is which is about principle? Yes.
Yeah.
Okay. So first thing, we'll go through the basic stuff. Yes.
Yeah.
Then what I'll do, send you all the resources and we'll arrange the second tutorial. You normally, when you will be free next time?
Pardon?
When you normally available? Are you available on weekends?
Yeah, I'm available during the week, not on the weekends.
Okay, during the week. So
Yeah.
what about uh, Tuesday?
Pardon?
Are you available on Tuesday?
Yeah, I am.
Okay, so we'll say Tuesday morning.
To do what?
Tuesday morning, 12 o'clock.
To go over what?
Tuesday afternoon or morning. Which time is the best, next week for you?
Afternoon, but what is that for?
I can book, one more tutorial with you. Yes.
Okay, that's good.
So the reason, I will give you the assignment, I will give you all the resources. Huh?
Yeah.
Okay. This year, unit 5 is which is about accounting and finance because this is consist of the double entry bookkeeping. Yes.
Yeah.
We'll go through the basic stuff, which is so of course you have to do assignment which is 3 to 3,500 words. Yes.
Yeah.
We have good 5 learning outcome which we'll go through. Okay.
Mhm.
Is the really we need to go through. So if we look the learning outcome 1 and 2, yes. So we
Yeah.
have different types of businesses and we prepare their accounts. Yes. Do you,
Okay.
so do you know how many types of financial statement we prepare in accounts?
I know there's a balance sheet. There's an income and expenditure sheet.
Okay, good.
I'm not sure about the other ones.
No, that's fine. That's fine. It means you know the basic stuff.
Yeah.
So what we'll do, so we can relate our discussion. Uh, so we'll discuss, because each normally we deliver in lessons every week. We deliver one lesson. So like the first thing in the financial reporting we have to understand what sort of business we are doing, like a sole trader, partnership, and limited company. Are you okay?
I
You,
created an income and expenditure sheet and a balance sheet for a sole trader, partnerships, and limited company.
excellent, great.
So is that okay for LO2?
Yes, that's fine. That's no issues. Yes. So have you started the assignment? You can send me the.
I did start it, but I'm just like not sure if I've done it right.
Okay. So what you can do, you can send me. Yes.
Yeah.
When we'll do the lesson, and have you discussed about financial accounting, the difference between management?
No.
Okay, no problem, which we'll go through. Uh, why we need to record the transactions? What is the accounting transaction?
It's more LO3 and LO4 that I was stuck on.
LO3, LO4.
Yeah.
Give me a minute.
LO2 and LO1 I've done, but I'm not sure if it's right. But I did complete them. But it's LO3 and 4.
Okay, LO3 and 4. So give me a minute. I'll just go back to the LO3 and 4. So where my units first. Okay, so what I'm going to do, sorry, just let me stop this recording first. Yes, I don't want to record.